Hello everyone and welcome to JP Creation, and in this lecture we are going to see how to give connections to the nodes. So whenever we create a node, like if I am creating a color node COL, and if we click on the color and then we will click here, and after creating the node, if we want to give the connection, we will hold from this point to this point and create a connection between both the nodes, and then give the render flag to the color node and change the color so that the color will appear in the viewport. But to make this operation more simple, we can just click here and type COLOR color, and then on the keyboard we have to press shift and enter. Whenever we press shift plus enter, the node will appear in the node graph directly with its render flag, and it will already be connected with the previous node. So we don't have to give any connection to the previous node. Like again, if we do this same option, press tab and create a transform node and press shift plus enter, so the node will directly get connected to the color and with its render flag. Now if you want to disconnect any of the node, you have to press like you can do this is a bit funny. You can just hover the node from right to left so that it can lose the connection, but sometime it makes the changes, but sometime it does not. So for this, one more option is that you can hold Y on the keyboard, and holding Y you can draw a line between two connections, and then line which is there, the connection will go away from that. So in this way we can cut the connection, and to draw a connection we can press J and then draw a connection between two nodes and then connect it. So simply we can drag from one point to another point, or we can press J and then move it from one node to another node, draw and create a connection. If you want to arrange the node, like the node is a bit far and it's messy, so you can just create a point in between two nodes. So hold alt and then from the connection you have to just click and drag anywhere node graph. It will create a point. In this way you can arrange your node graph